How you doing today? Me? Well, let's just say Jack has made another appearance in my sewing room today. I have 7 of these, including this one, left to take apart. I've already did one, and I mean, well, I've got to take it down into 2x2s because I sewed it completely wrong. I mean, completely. It's like, man, what in the world? It's kind of upsetting, but, sometimes that stuff happens. And hopefully, Jack is not making the same appearance in your sewing room today. Or if he is, that it's just going to be a brief visit. I'm taking it all of them apart, and then I'll iron them flat again. So this is going to take me a while. I ended up having to go into electric quilt and exactly color. I had them a different color. I had them blue and pink or something in electric quilt. And I don't know why yesterday when I was putting them together, this one together, I don't know, completely, and I do mean completely wrong. I have no idea why. And by the time I realized it, I was just too flabbergasted to actually fix it. I was just, I don't know. So, anyway, hopefully your day or your quilting is going a little bit better, or your pacing, I should say. I don't know. I am excited about that new Tula Pink. I'm looking for a quilt pattern I can use. I think. Now, can I use this one? Nope. All of it. All 4 of them. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. You know what I'll be doing probably for a while. Let's hope I get them all sewed together correctly now. I do have the one that I did do sitting right. I've got it hanging up right in front of my face so that I can just look at it when need be. But hey, it is what it is. Talk to you later. Bye.